Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas was notably absent from the bench on a recent Monday when the court began its final 2 weeks of oral arguments for a term that is packed with consequential cases. The absence of Justice Thomas, who is 75 years old and the longest-serving member of the court, was unexpected and no explanation was provided for it. Justice Thomas also did not participate remotely in the arguments, as justices sometimes do when they are ill or otherwise unable to be there in person. This was particularly surprising given the importance of the cases being heard and the fact that remote participation has become more common due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The absence of Justice Thomas was announced by Chief Justice John Roberts at the start of the session. He stated that Justice Thomas would still participate in the day's cases based on the briefs and the transcripts of the arguments. This suggests that Justice Thomas was not completely disengaged from the proceedings, but his physical absence from the bench was still notable. The Supreme Court sometimes, but not always, provides explanations when a justice is out sick. For example, Justice Thomas was hospitalized 2 years ago with an infection, causing him to miss several court sessions. He took part in the cases then, too. However, in this instance, no such explanation was provided, leading to speculation and concern. Justice Thomas, who joined the Supreme Court in 1991, is the longest-serving of the current justices. He is known for his conservative views and is part of the court's 6-3 conservative majority. His opinions and decisions have had a significant impact on American law and society. The absence of a Supreme Court justice from oral arguments is a serious matter. The justices use these sessions to ask questions, probe arguments, and clarify points of law and fact. Their interactions during these sessions can play a crucial role in their deliberations and in the ultimate outcome of the cases. Therefore, the absence of Justice Thomas from these proceedings could have implications for the cases being heard. However, as Chief Justice Roberts noted, Justice Thomas will still be participating in these cases based on the briefs and the argument transcripts. This means he will still be involved in the decision-making process. In conclusion, while Justice Thomas's absence from the bench is notable and somewhat mysterious given the lack of an official explanation, it does not mean he is not participating in the important work of the court. It serves as a reminder of the human element in our judicial system and the fact that the justices, like all of us, can be affected by unforeseen circumstances. As always, it's important to stay tuned to official news sources for the most accurate and up-to-date information.